bad guy. Wait, hold on, I messed up. Let me try again.
Bad guy. Duh. Hi everybody, thank you, pageant boss. Alright, so I'm just gonna start because tonight's gonna be another horrific look. Alright everyone, welcome to another Makeup and Chill, and today what I'm doing is posting a live that I did this past Wednesday. I do a live every other Wednesday on my on my Instagram page, and my Instagram page is d.4Danielle, and so I'm just sharing that here with you. It's going to be sped up because of course it was a live, it was an hour and a half long, and to make sure that it was doable for YouTube, I had to speed up the process. So I'm just gonna let you all watch what happened. You already know which character I did, so I hope you enjoy this video. And if you do, y'all know what to do. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Let me know what you think about this video. And yeah, hope you enjoy. So I did cover my eyebrows. To do that, I used Elmer's glue, the stick glue, the purple Elmer's glue, and I just stuck it down on my eye and let it dry. Then I covered that with foundation, as you can see, but it's not covered completely, so you will see how I covered it even more. And for this look, I did my foundation, contour, highlight, blush, everything before I started my eyes. You'll also see me talking a lot in this video, and like I said before, it is a live video that I have edited for you. But on the live, we have a lot of fun. So if you're not following me yet, you're missing out. Go over to IG and follow me at d.4Danielle. That's d.4Danielle, because we be having a lot of fun over there, and it's a live tutorial. You can do your makeup with me. Sometimes I have guests on, sometimes it's just me, but we're still having a lot of fun. Also, I drink a lot of wine, so you know we turn up over there. Go over to IG and go follow and come back and watch this video. So at this point of the process, I began to get very nervous. I was nervous the entire night. Like, I was going very fast on the live. Usually my live takes like 2 hours. This one took an hour and a half. I was moving very quickly, but I realized it was because I was so nervous about doing this. This was my first time doing something like this on live. And I don't know why, I just, was very nervous. But so I used the Pro Conceal concealer from LA Girls and I used the white one to cover up my eyebrows, and as well as to prep my eyelids for the look that I was about to do. Everyone who was on the live was guessing what I was doing, because unlike you, they had no clue what I was doing, and I told everybody to guess, and they were guessing things like Cruella, not Pennywise. Well, someone did say Pennywise all the way to the end, and of course they were right. But they guessed things like Cruella from 101 Dalmatians. The guess was also Child's Play, the Bride of Chucky. I don't remember her name was. There were so many guesses, and most of them were so wrong. Only one person got Pennywise, but that was way to the end of the video. I will be listing all the products that I used below, and I will be telling what happened in the full description. So don't worry about it. If it's going very fast, that's okay. You can read what we did, what I did on the live, down in the description below. And again, if you have not subscribed yet and you see that you are interested in videos like this, I'd ask you to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you are not left out of the loop when I drop new videos, and comment, like, and share. It's free to share, people. Just share, please. By this point, somebody had commented or guessed the Queen of Hearts. I'm like, how? I don't see that. Anyway, would you have guessed that? Yeah, me trying to be funny here. Somebody said something and I read it all wrong. So yeah, that was my reaction. I had to put that in. Oh, I got these eyelashes from Party City. Like, they're the bomb. The bottom eyelashes, they're the bomb. I love them. Like, I feel like I would wear these even if it wasn't Halloween. I like them. And yeah, I was putting them on with duo glue. First time using duo glue. Because you know I use hair glue. But it helps for the bottom lash. Because hair glue is a mess at the bottom lash. So, yeah. I really like these bottom lashes. They look good, don't they? Tell me what you think in the comments below. It was at this exact moment that the person on the live decided to change their guess to Pennywise. When I had already done it, like, you know, but yeah, we had a lot of fun getting this look done. And yeah, this is the look that I envisioned for the night, and I think it came out great. I wanted to use the body paint, but somehow it was just not meshing with my skin, and when I put it on my hand and tried to get the red color, it was just too sheer and it was not giving me what I wanted. So I did not get the thick red line that I wanted, but I think it did great just the same. And boom, here's the final look. What do you guys think? Yeah, so we played around with that, but it wasn't completely finished as I hadn't done my nose yet. So you'll see I'll do my nose and then we'll have the completed look for this Halloween look. So again, if you're not following me on Instagram, you are missing out. Go to Instagram, follow me at d.4.danielle, and also go enter to win this chill away that I have going out. These are the products that I'm giving away. It ends on November 2nd, so you still have time. You have a week left to go and enter, subscribe, do all that it says to do. Find this post on my page and do it. Thank you for watching again. This has been another Makeup and Chill with Woodpecker. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, bye.